So welcome back to this adjustable mouth miter plane project that I've been working on for the last several videos. It's been a couple weeks since I picked this one up. Last week I was working on some chisels, video linked somewhere. I just needed a bit of a break. Now I am back on this and I am working on getting the bottom flat. I am not going to show that all to you because it's just me sanding. With any luck, we will be done in this video. Stay tuned. Alright, so this is a carbide cutter trying to go through hardened steel, so hopefully this works. It worked. I think I destroyed that last cutter, but that's okay. I assume these are just going to be one-time use anyway. They weren't super expensive. Just jumping out. I'm going to do this in like 3 steps, I think. I'm going to pause here and just kind of explain what's going on. So this is a blade that I purchased from Lee Valley. It came with this hole right here. I went ahead and added a second hole of the same diameter because I want to put on a wooden block that helps take up the space and just fills up the hand a little more. It was found on the New York style miter planes. That is what this plane is alluding to in its design. So at any rate, I need a couple of screws that hold that block on. So this is fully hardened. I ended up using a solid carbide drill bit to get through this, and I made it through but destroyed the bit. The issue that I'm running into is that I don't like the looks of any of the screws that I could put in here that have a 1/4 inch shaft on them. They're way too big. They're out of proportion for what this is. I don't like it. So instead what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this piece of copper tubing that fits with these screws that I have, these number 8s. The inner diameter fits just fine. The outer diameter though is just a hair too big to make it to fit through these holes. And so I'm going to turn this down on the lathe just a touch so that fits in here, and those are just going to act as spacers, and that will just keep this screw in the exact orientation of where I want it so it can't move around on me. So that's the plan. So now off to the lathe.
So I think we can call this one done. I am incredibly thrilled with the way this turned out. Hopefully the person that this is going to enjoys it as much as I do. It's a lot of work. It was really hard. It really stretched my skills, but I think it turned out pretty well. So at any rate, thank you for following along over this series. Links are in the description if you want to go back and watch it from the beginning. If you want to help support the channel, please check out the website. I post tools up there for sale. I'm working on a bunch more in the background, so those will go up just as soon as I get them done. So I think that's going to do it for me. Thank you so much for following along, and I'll catch you on the next one.